Tibang ka. Are you sleepy? Namay yung paa niya. Ayos na upo, anak. You're a girl. We're near na. We're near. Go straight, sir.
I lost.
Thank you. Wait. Come here, Labs. Let's go. Here. Na. What time is it? What time is it, Labs? Go. Oh, bring your things. Oh, dali. Your things is essential for you to bring. Yeah, you need to bring your things. Go. Oh, oh, this one also. Bring your thing. Oh. Sige po. Ay, nakatambay. Let's go, sir. Okay. Good morning, Liz. Hi. Okay, mabubuksan mo na yan. Try to open again. Want to get toys? Open again, open. Dahil dyan.
You like this mate? Okay, good. Oh, take your bag now. Good your bag, say.
Ate! It's okay, my love. Thank you po, teacher. I love you, ate. Give me. School.
Good.
How's your school? Good. Take this one. Mommy don't have a voice. Yeah.
I just wanted up.
Yeah, I miss you, love.
No, my name is
How's your school?
Good.
What did you do?
I got us.
You don't know.
military solution
It's the ate.
to the country. So
Kain na tayo. Salmon. Salmon from Tito MJ.
Ay, si Jay, kuya.
Well, I And then, ibe-blender natin. Okay, ilis na food. Lunch for today. Sorry, wala akong boses masyado. Ang ating boses po ay paus. Kuha lang natin ng konting scoop with rice. Squash and rice for Elise lunch. Sana yung rice? Kuha pa tayo ng rice. And lagyan natin ng konting milk. Milk. And then, mix. Yan. Pero meron siyang konting rice pa. Meron siyang lunch for today's video. Lagay na natin to. Tapos i-blender lang natin yan. Saan na? Nakasaksak na pala. Sinaksak na ni Tita Chola. Sinaksak na ni Tita. Pakakainin ko na muna si Elise.